Well, check it out. This is surprise ball number 5 from Bowling World. That's right. If you watched my last video, once I got the Chill Pearl, I said I was going to be done for a little while. And I lied, because that's what fools do. They lie. Anyway, once I got the Chill Pearl, I ended up selling that for 80 bucks to a guy within the day. So I lost about 15 bucks on that. No big deal. The only reason I sold it is because I already had one. So Chill Pearl is a very good ball, especially for Napa. But I decided to sell that, and I said, what the hell? Let's go for number 5. Let's try to build an actual arsenal using Bowling World surprise balls only. So here we go. Number 5. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, it's a Radical. Okay, so this is one ball that I haven't got yet. So far they haven't sent me the same brand twice. I don't know if that's coincidence or if they're trying to give me every single brand. Let's see. There are too many Radicals that I can think of right now. I'm probably thinking it's like a Rattler Big Bite or something that's not a top seller. Well, let's see what we have here. Oh, check it out. A Torpedo direct hit. This is a brand new current release. I don't know too much about this ball. I watched a review by X in the Pit, and I think they were talking smack about it. So I don't know. I haven't seen too many reviews on it. I'm gonna have to watch some reviews on it. So this is a brand new current release that Radical had, and I think, let's see, it's a low friction reactive, and it's a factory polish. We got 248054 diff. Oh, that's pretty strong. And then an intermediate diff of 0.017. So this was a completely different design ball. I think they kind of... Oh, this is one thing I like about Radical is they give you the layout sheets on what kind of reaction you're looking for. Love that about Radical. Thank you, Radical. So this is it. It's a pretty cool looking ball. I don't know too much about it. Let me know if you have this ball. Torpedo direct hit. I saw some comments today on Facebook that somebody was on Radical's page is saying Torpedo direct hit was their best ball so far, or their favorite ball that they rolled with. So, woo, those are pretty crazy colors. That's one thing about Radical. They always clash the colors, like this blue and this red is almost blinding. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm pretty happy. It's an ASIM. I think this ball goes for 140 bucks new, so I essentially saved 40 bucks. And I think I may just keep it. Let me know what I should do. Should I keep it or should I sell it? Let me know in the comments below. I think it'd actually be pretty good on our Napa lanes. Napa doesn't put out a lot of oil, so we have high friction on Napa, so this may be just perfect for that. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is number 5. I may get number 6. I may hold off for a little while. I bought a couple balls that are coming in the mail, not a surprise ball, so I'll let you know what those are. Once I get them, I'll do a little video on those. Leave a comment down below if you have this or you want to get this. Let me know if you have any friends that bowl with it. Anything you know about this ball, leave a comment down below. I'm kind of curious. And be sure to like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And thanks for watching, everybody.